Dustin here with Built with Pride Construction. We're going to conduct a walkthrough of a recently completed legal secondary suite. This is in a duplex. It's a 2-bedroom suite. City of Edmonton, about a year ago, year and a half, they approved basement suites, legal secondary suites and basements of duplexes. This is the first duplex we've done. We've done lots of single family. We've legalized a few existing ones, but this is the first duplex we've done right from scratch. I had to change out the window wells. They were the previous 24-inch window wells. Now the city requires 30-inch for egress. Got a tower in there. So little things, little stuff like that. Looks a lot better than just a regular shelf and a closet rod. Got crown molding, white shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances, as you can see, 4x16-inch Soho backsplash tiles. Some nice tile work here. Moen Eva chrome for the tub shower trim. Moen Eva single lever faucet there. Was not an ideal layout that this builder had planned because this little electrical room's back here. So we had to flip our vanity. In a perfect world, we wanted to turn 90 degrees and have it beside the toilet, but is what it is. We're kind of dealing with what was already roughed in. Green stickers. There's our occupancy, no deficiencies. This is all sealed up good, drywalled for fire rating. Dining area here, living room, there's all of our coax and cat 6 for the TV and internet and all that good stuff. Here's our second bedroom, again 30-inch window wall, little tower off to the side, closet rod. Here's the mechanical room. Existing Lennox furnace, new Napoleon furnace, stackable washer dryer, hot water heater, sump barrel, more green stickers, which is what we want to see. And that does it. Thanks for checking it out.